Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Rudy here with your yard service, and today it's a blistery, blustery, but beautiful. Hey, where's the sun? Blistery, blustery winter day, beautiful day in Alberta, and the team of your yard service is hard at work getting properties clean and safe again. So watch this, guys. Watch this. Okay, we have Nicholas. Got this all done here. And just the final touches here on the property with the snowblower here. We had some scraping of tracks here already, and now the final touches. Some more scraping here, and we have some tall banks here because of the property setup. Very close to the neighbor, so tall snowbank here. Nothing we can do about that, but that means in that case we gotta push all the snow all the way into the back here, so it doesn't spill over to either our property for our clients or to the neighbor property. We don't want that. So we have to push all the snow into the back where it can sit safe until it melts in the spring. Oh, who said spring? It's only January, and it's a beautiful, blistery, blustery day. You guys, it's so blistery, blustery, and so cold that even my nose keeps dripping whatever I'm gonna do. Just saying. All right, you guys have a fantastic winter, whatever you wanna do, and keep safe and enjoy it. Talk to you next time. It's Rudy here with your yard service, and this is Nicholas. Nicholas, say hi. All right.